DataCamp features, strengths, weaknesses. DataCamp is an online learning platform primarily focused on data science and analytics skills, offering interactive courses covering programming languages like Python and R, data visualization tools such as Tableau and Power BI, and database technologies including SQL. Key features include hands-on coding exercises directly within the browser, short video lectures, skill tracks tailored for specific career paths, and project-based learning. It's ideally suited for individuals with little to no prior coding experience who want to break into the data field, as well as professionals looking to upskill in particular areas. A significant strength lies in its structured curriculum and the emphasis on practical application. The interactive coding environment provides immediate feedback, reinforcing concepts effectively. Moreover, the platform boasts a large and active community forum where learners can seek help and collaborate with peers. A major drawback is its limited depth in advanced topics. While excellent for beginners and intermediate learners, those seeking expertise in specialized areas like deep learning or advanced statistical modeling might find the content insufficient. Another limitation is the subscription model. While offering a free trial, consistent progress requires a paid subscription, which can be a barrier for some. Furthermore, while DataCamp covers a broad range of tools, the depth of coverage for each can be uneven, sometimes favoring breadth over thoroughness. The learning experience can also feel somewhat constrained by the predefined exercises, limiting opportunities for independent exploration and creative problem-solving. Consider it an excellent starting point, particularly for those new to data science, providing a solid foundation and practical skills. However, be prepared to supplement your learning with other resources for in-depth knowledge and mastery in specialized domains. In conclusion, DataCamp is a valuable tool for entry-level data professionals, offering structured learning and practical experience, but be aware of its limitations in advanced topics and the potential need for supplementary resources to achieve comprehensive expertise.